Updating your email address on Walmart is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Walmart website and click on the Sign In button. Enter your credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your name or profile icon in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the Account Settings menu, look for an option labeled Personal Information or Account Information. Click on this to view your current email address and other personal details. Step 4. Update your email address. Find the section for your email address. Enter your new email address in the provided field, ensuring it is typed correctly to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your email address, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this to confirm your changes and ensure your new email address is saved to your account. Once you've completed these steps, your email address will be updated. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages from Walmart.